Over the last 2 decades, India has been ranked among the top 3 investment destinations worldwide. The economy has been growing at over 6% and foreign direct investments have been rising along with increased foreign exchange reserves. To attract investments, India continues to take steps and has reduced the corporate tax structure from 30% to 15% for new units established in India, thus making India a preferred destination for fresh investments. At Reliance, we believe growth is life. Reliance is the largest private sector company in India and is the forerunner in the energy, telecom and retail sectors. The Fortune 500 Global list of 2018 ranks Reliance as the 106th largest company in the world. Reliance contributes 10% of India's total exports and 3% of India's GDP. Participating in the infrastructure development of the country, Reliance is establishing an integrated industrial township, the Model Economic Township or MET, over an area of 8,000 acres or 35 square kilometers. The company intends to complete the development of over 2,500 acres in the next 5 years. The initial phase of development over 1,000 acres has already commenced. Leading international companies, including Japanese multinationals like Panasonic and Denso, have become operational, and international developers including Indospace, Allcargo and FM Logistics are establishing large logistics parks. The total investments to date in the project area exceeds $500 million, generating employment for over 5,000 persons. Over 125 companies across a range of industrial sectors such as engineering, auto components, garments, consumer goods, electronics, biotech, plastics and logistics plan to establish their units over next few years. Model Economic Township meets a host of requirements necessary for any industry to flourish. MET is strategically located in the National Capital Region in District Jhajjar of Haryana, just north of Gurgaon, along the western border of National Capital Territory of Delhi. The MET site is home to the National Cancer Institute that has been set up at the AIIMS campus at Bursar. R&D campus of IIT Delhi is coming up over 50 acres in the area. XLRI, a leading management institute, has established its Delhi campus in the vicinity. In addition, Sehwag International School, SGT University and other leading colleges all provide excellent education options in the area. Kundli-Manesar Palwal KMP Expressway, also called the Western Peripheral Expressway, passing through the MET site, connects all the national highways emanating from Delhi. 4-lane median divided roads connect the MET project area with the National Capital Territory of Delhi. The Indira Gandhi International Airport, currently accessible from the KMP and NH8, will be better accessible upon completion of construction of the Northern Peripheral Expressway or Dwarka Expressway. The Farrukhnagar Railway Station, located adjacent to the MET area, has frequent passenger trains running to Gurgaon and Delhi. Requisite approvals for a rail-connected logistics hub are in place. The National Capital Region has a significant base of manufacturing units across sectors and also is home to a number of premier technical institutions, and hence there is a large pool of skilled manpower readily available. Power requirements for the project will be met from the state distribution grid, with a 220 kV substation providing 100% reliability. The MET project has an approved allocation of water from the NCR water channel. This is adequately supplemented by approved groundwater extraction. MET is planned as an integrated industrial township with social infrastructure including residential facilities, affordable housing, housing for industrial workers, recreational parks, sports complexes, clubs, shopping malls, multiplexes, police stations, post offices and banks among others. The NCR and the northern region account for the largest market of the country. Any industry located at MET will be able to capitalize on existing backward and forward linkages with the NCR's industrial and commercial enterprises. This combination of factors makes the Model Economic Township project a preferred location for both investors and entrepreneurs, combining the best of living, working, learning and recreation.